You look tired, not because you are tired, but because your face screams exhaustion and low energy. Dark circles, dull skin, droopy eyes. They tell the world you've lost control. But here's the truth most won't tell you. You can completely change how your face looks in just 7 days if you know the right 7 steps. Do these 7 things and people will literally say, "Bro, what happened to you? You look different. Let's fix your face permanently." Step 1, fix your sleep debt. Sleep deprivation destroys your looks faster than aging. When you skip real sleep, your cortisol spikes, your growth hormone crashes, and your eyes hollow out, giving you that zombie aesthetic. Go for 7 to 8 hours of deep sleep, black out your room, and set your phone across the room. 1 week of real sleep, and your eyes will start to lift. Step 2, kill blue light at night. Scrolling at 1 a.m. That blue light kills your melatonin and inflames your skin. Your face puffs up, your under-eye area darkens, and your skin texture dulls, all from your screen. Use blue light blocking glasses or switch to night shift mode. Step 3, hydration equals instant lift. Most guys are chronically dehydrated, and it shows on their faces. Dehydration makes your skin sag, jawline blur, and your eyes sink deeper. Drink 3 to 4 liters daily and add a pinch of salt for minerals. You'll literally see your skin tighten in 3 days. Step 4, stop sugar. It's killing your aesthetic. Sugar doesn't just make you fat, it causes glycation, a process that hardens your skin and kills your glow. You'll look older, puffier, duller. Eliminate all sugar for 7 days, just 1 week of clean eating, and you'll look like you slept for 10 hours every night. Step 5, cold water discipline. You look tired because your circulation is lazy. Cold exposure tightens your pores, boosts blood flow, and makes your face look alert, alpha, and alive. Morning, splash ice water on your face, or take a cold shower for 1 minute. Instant facelift effect. Step 6, mewing plus chewing. If your face looks tired and droopy, your posture and tongue position are part of the problem. You're literally letting your face fall. Learn proper mewing. Tongue pressed to the palate, lips sealed, teeth lightly touching. Combine this with hard gum chewing to engage your master muscles. Step 7, mindset equals face power. Here's the mic drop. Your face follows your mind. If your thoughts are weak, your expression collapses. If you live with purpose, your eyes sharpen, your energy radiates. Confidence is the real aesthetic. No product or hack replaces that. So start moving, lifting, sleeping right. Your face is your resume. If you're serious about your glow up, follow these 7 steps for just 1 week and watch your face transform. Subscribe now. This is FORTIX, where men evolve.